So we're gonna do a little show and tell because Tech Wrap sent me a package and I'm feeling the Valentine's Day vibes. So let me just open it for you and you can help me decide what we're gonna make with it. Okay, full disclosure, I was planning to open it on camera, like open the box, but then my husband got this package and opened it because he didn't know what it was. So let's go through it. I'm a big Caesar Easy Week girl. I'm a big Starcraft girl, but when it comes to like unique colors, Tech Wrap is where it's at. Matte black, heat transfer vinyl, and red, the matte and then the metallic next to each other. Gold and gold metallic, so you can see side by side, like they're metallic versus they're just like regular. Okay, my phone fell down, apologies. A green heat transfer vinyl, and like this maroon color, like this is what I'm saying about Tech Wrap, like they have really unique colors. We've got pink, my favorite, orange, like love these colors next to each other, and then the white, like that right there would be such a fun project. We're gonna do Valentine's Day, y'all. Let me just show you the combo that I am most excited about. Seriously. So be thinking what project we should do, and if we want to do like a bigger Valentine's Day oh, you're falling. Okay, there you go. We want to do a bigger Valentine's Day project together. I think it might be fun to do one on live together, and I can put out like a materials list ahead of time for anyone who wants to get the materials and we do it together. So anyway, put your suggestions in the comments. Let's craft something for Valentine's Day.